In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn. Before we start, it's important to understand that birthday visibility on LinkedIn is completely controlled by each individual user. That means you'll only see a birthday if that person has chosen to share it, and sometimes they may limit it to their connections only. With that in mind, let's walk through how to check it using the LinkedIn mobile app. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, choose a profile you'd like to check. This can be any random person you find through search, your feed, or suggestions. When you're on that person's profile, look for the message button. Just to the right of that, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Tap those 3 dots to open more options for this profile. From the menu that appears, tap on contact info. This is where LinkedIn groups details like email, websites, and sometimes the person's birthday. In some cases, like in our example, you might notice that there is no birthday listed at all. That usually means the user has decided not to display their birthday publicly or not to share it with people they aren't connected to. This is normal and there's no way around it because LinkedIn respects the privacy settings that each member chooses. Now let's see what it looks like when you check the birthday of someone you're actually connected with. Go back to your LinkedIn home screen, then tap your profile icon at the top. Tap your profile icon again to open more options, and then select Connections. Here, you'll see a list of people you're connected with on LinkedIn. Choose any connection from this list and open their profile. Once again, next to the message button, tap the 3 dots. From the menu, tap Contact Info. This time, because you're connected and the person has chosen to share it, you should see their birthday displayed in this section. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn, and you also understand why sometimes that information might not be available. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads.